I'm back. So, guys, let's keep going. Number 5. I was about to do number 9, but I'm gonna do everything for you. Not everything, only odds. Alright? And then so that you can do evens. So look at number 5, guys. So you change x and y first, right? So write it first. X equals negative y squared minus 3. And this time I'm gonna change that one. I'm gonna get rid of this negative y squared. So let's do plus y squared plus y squared. Okay? So you cancel this. You'll have minus 3 here. That is equal to y squared plus x. Right? And let's get rid of this x. So I'm going to do minus x minus x. Let me rewrite it over here. What do? I subtract x. Cancel. Right? And how do I get rid of this square? Selena, what's opposite of square? Yes, square root. So you take square root. Rika, what happens if you take square root to each side? Yes, positive, negative. Positive, negative. I got it. So this is my inverse function. Alright? So guys, if you don't get it, rewind it and then watch it again. And when you're doing number 6, look at this work and then do it. So I highly recommend when I solve the examples, copy it down to your notebook. And when you do even numbers, use it. Alright? Okay, number 7. Told you, what do we do first? We're getting inverse. Change your x and y. X equals 3. Y plus 1. And we need to solve it for y. So let's cancel this 3. Okay, so let's divide it by 3 because this is multiplication here. Divide it by 3. And you cancel this. And you get x over 3 equals y plus 1. Oh, my y is here. Let's get rid of this plus 1. What's plus 1? Opposite operation of plus 1? Yes, minus 1. Like this. So I'm done, right? So when you combine this, then you get y, and then on the left side you get x over 3 minus 1. But I told you we write y first. You don't have to, but this is pretty for me. So just do it for me, alright? And normally we write y on the left side. So y equals x over 3 minus 1. Alright, number 9. Getting harder, right? You know that. So look, y, x, change. You know what? Every night I talking to myself like this. I hope you enjoy this. Okay, what did I do? Alright, yeah, I switched the letters like this. And we can just take the square root, right? So let's cancel this minus 4 first. So I'm gonna do this plus 4 plus 4. Then you get x plus 4, y plus 4 squared, right? And now I need to cancel this one, square. What's the opposite operation of square? Yes, square root. Take the square root. Then you get square root of x plus 4 equals. Cancel the square and square root, so you get y plus 4 on the other side. I know we need to put positive, negative here, right? Because we did square root to the each side, right? So you get this, and then I want to solve it for y. So you need to cancel this plus 4. So minus 4 and minus 4. Then you will get y equals positive, negative square root of x plus 4 minus 4. And told you we write y first. So let's write like this. Y equals positive, negative square root of x plus 4 minus 4. Bum, 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 bum. That's my answer for number 9. I'm gonna mark my final answer. So that's for number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, 11. Number 11. So, oh, this is something different. You realize that? That's what? You have f of x. Where's my y? Ms.Hong, how can I switch x and y? You can just write y for f of x. Alright? So I'm gonna do it here, 11. Number 11. So you got f of x equals 1 over 6x. You don't have y here. But don't worry, that's same as y. So f of x, whenever you see f of x, you can write y for that. Y equals 1 over 6x. Okay? And let's get rid of the 6. So to get rid of it, we multiply by 6. Right? So you do the same thing on the other side. Oops! Hold on. We didn't change x and y. So let me do it quickly. So you got this. Hold on. Start it over. Alright? So f of x, you write it for y. Right? And after that, you want to get the inverse. So change your x and y. X 1 over 6y. Right? And after that, we need to solve it for y. I don't need this 1 over 6. Let's get rid of this. So times by 6 times by 6. Then cancel. You have y on the right side, 6y on the left side. So just write it like this. Y comes first. Right? This is number 11. That's number 11. Right? And I'm going to do 13 over here. Number 13. Oh, it's the same thing. You have f of x square root of x minus 1. Right? So what do we do? Whenever you see f of x, you change it to y. Right? So make it easier with x and y. And after that, you change x and y because we want to solve it for y. So we want to get the inverse function. Right? So to get the inverse function, we change x and y. So change x and y. X equals square root of y minus 1. And then you square, right? Because you need to get rid of the square root. Square, opposite of square, that's square root. Opposite of square root, that's square. So you square that. Square, square. Then you get x squared. And cancel, you get y minus 1. Alright? Then I want to solve it for y. So let's get rid of this minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Cancel, you get y on the right side x squared plus 1. And then my final answer, y equals x squared plus 1. Like this. And also, you know what? That one, original question had f of x, right? So you can also write it f inverse of x is 6x. You can do this. Right? Same here. You can do f inverse of x is x squared plus 1 is the same thing. Okay? So today, guys, I want you to do all evens in this page, and on the front page, where is it? On the front page, we didn't do the table. Oh, it's right here. So this, right? So you do 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, because I did 3 already. And I did number 5. I want you to do 6, 7, complete the table and graph. Alright? And after that, you find all inverse for this side. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay? So that's today's work. Okay, thank you for watching this, guys. Please stay safe. Don't go outside. Stay home. Okay? Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.